almost made a classic #1 mistake of a rookie, flying with the gimbal on. We'll get started here by taking off my landing location, which is a box. It doesn't like taking off from metal.
Takeoff.
You will notice there are
The
a
full
lot of
point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
noises going on. That is the controller making those noises to notify me of various things, mostly collision. The annoying constant beeping I found out, or turns out to be, a stick control calibration. It does clear itself somewhere around 10 minutes, and I do recalibrate after I discovered this. We're going up the tower here where 147.00 is located. The tower itself is 190 feet. I'm stopping at about 120 to 150, doing a quick panoramic. It is very quick. We're going to go on up the tower here shortly. This is about 180 or 85 feet above the ground, close to the top of the tower. That is the 147.00 antenna, a DB224. The height of the tower, once again, is 190 feet. The antenna directly behind it is a 440 link system antenna. Looking down from the top of the tower is 190 feet, actually at 205. Drone height, that is. Going to go to the north a little bit to view some of the area that was affected by the fire. You'll notice that you can see some black area. It is mostly obscured by the foliage on the mesquite trees and other trees, which fortunately was good and green and did not actually catch the trees on fire, just around the bases. Total affected area, I believe, was 8.5 acres, which was 9.5 acres too much. You can see the fire break that was cut around our building, which left us in the fire zone. There was more than enough room to cut the break in front of the building, excluding us from the fire zone, but it is what it is, the same. This is looking straight down back towards Cement Mountain Road to the north of the tower, facing back west at this point, facing back
Go home.
southeast. Going to come home now. The easiest way to get back to the landing location or takeoff location is to use the home button. Brings you directly back.
Landing.
I will cancel left shortly as I get very near the ground to continue the burn area tour. A lot of the noise here is collision avoidance. I have that set at 6 feet. It does see the guy wires, trees, people, objects. that day. You'll hear some wind blowing through the microphone on the controller. This is looking down the fire break that they cut behind us and off to the side to the north. You can see that underneath the foliage of the trees it is pretty well burnt. Cleared the area of the high grass underneath those trees for sure. This is the area directly in front of the repeater shack. We mowed almost up to that line just a day or two before that in preparation of a inspection of the site by National Weather Service people. Now we're going over to the south side of the shack. That's the other side of the fire break. They dug up several data lines in that area right there. Still unknown if they were active or if they were ever looked into. And you may have noticed that the annoying beep has stopped. Apparently, the control stick arrow has cleared itself. I did do a total recalibration later on, a day or two later. Flying back south towards tower number 2, which was put up originally years ago by Jeff Allen, the veterinarian. That's the reason we called it the Allen Tower. You can see that that area was very well burnt. It cleared it of all of the high grass. That's just in front of our tower, going back towards the south. Because the wind was pretty stiff out of the south yesterday, it is suspected that it was originally started somewhere in this general area. It did not go very far past our little entry road, as you can see in the upper portion of the video. It only went maybe 100 yards south. This is taken the day after the fire, of course. Encore is out here with their pole trucks. They did replace 3 poles. One of the poles was burnt so bad it actually laid over and broke the power connection for 3 of the 5 towers. That happened around 7:45 that afternoon. There is one of the Encore trucks there. On talking with the people from Encore, the median wire that goes to our shack in this particular tower, that wire was not open, cracks, or insulation was good all the way. In fact, they actually still used it when they replaced the poles. They just put that wire back up. It was in excellent shape, he said. This is back towards our tower, which is tower number 3. My battery is starting to get a little low, and it will tell me low battery, at which time I will manually land the drone in the back of the pickup.
Pretty windy out here today.
Enjoyed what we brought to you today.
Low battery warning.